mention anybody's name, but if you claim that you are the one, let it be you.
Good morning, everyone. Share the telecast.
What without me if I don't preach the word of God?
True
what
that.
is fake is fake.
Yes.
I am warning men of God everywhere. Stop anything RNG prophecy. I didn't say it by mistake. It is an unmistakable utterance. Any RNG miracle. If you want to do, I'm even talking about prophecy. I've not come to the issue of the miracle. That one is another issue. I will still come to it sometime by the grace of God. If after 28 years in this prophetic Calvary cross I'm carrying, I cannot look at somebody and tell you the truth, then I am not serious. The worst you can do is to use my name and defend the rubbish you are doing. I call it rubbish because
he said the worst he can do is use my name to defend rubbish. Who is talking to? He's talking to his son, Ebuka Obi, that is using his name as under Mbaka. Without Mbaka and Catholic, Ebuka Obi, you will not have one follower. We know that. You know what I say it in that? He said, without my name, you're using to defend Obi. Okay, tell us Mbaka is no longer your spiritual father. Tell us you don't belong to Roman Catholic. If Charahancha, Charahancha. You think we don't know those strategies? I rejected fake man of gods long time ago, like TV those who are watching Center. You don't know your benefit you're getting from Roman Catholic. You don't know that the Pope has said, recognize gay. No, why can't you resign from Roman Catholic doctrine? Who is fully who? Don't worry, I told you that last year the Matawagonas, this year you will confirm who is a prophet. If you like, have the whole crowd, why not? That's not what qualifies. What qualifies you as a prophet is commandment of God. If you don't keep it, you don't do the will of God, you're a fake. Any man of God that build a hotel is fake. Number one, fake. How are you fake? Now, hotel is where you get all your informations. Hotel is where they get all the information. That's why I see some people that came all the way from. I have one guy from UK that came to 700 days fasting and prayer. The guy, after he come and stayed almost 3 months and go back, the Charahancha could not solve his problem. He now went back to London. He now called the guy name. See how brainwashed and foolish name that guy is. The guy now enter flight again and start coming from London because now about Afad. Tell me that you're watching and you don't know this case. Many people, I have one guy that he prophesied that the guy is going to die. I pray for that guy. That is in my old video. Have the guy died? The guy is in which country itself? That guy, they called his name. He start panicking. He said they say he's going to die if you don't come to Zion. So you expect that guy to steal and start leave what he's doing and be coming to Zion. That's what we know all those things. I told you, Mbaka just started something. I started ministry in 1990. Who senior me in ministry? TB Joshua. Who senior me with 2 years in the ministry is TB Joshua and the baby Fadede. Fadede come to our place when I was small. 1990, 98 something. And professor said, this guy, this small boy will ran all over the whole world. And that's how that professor come to pass. But now I decided to do the will of God. You're telling me about crowd. You think we come here to chase crowd? We will not come here to chase crowd. We are here. It's it's a transform. Okay, the guy is in the free pin. Okay, yeah. The guy is in the free pin. No, thank God. I will do for the video. He tell that guy he's going to die. If let's say the guy have money, the guy will begin to run from Philippines to Nigeria. And what I pray for that guy. Has the guy died now? Is he not arranged? Is he not arranged? The reason why Ebuka Obi is reigning because of two things. Let me tell you, when the Ebuka Obi started reigning, 2022, I fought with Ebuka Obi use arranged to reign. He bring all the men of God and do what? And blackmail against other men of God to rise. If you don't know it, we know what he did. Look at the game that Ebuka Obi prayed. When Mbaka prophesied to Peter Obi that he's a stingy man that is not going to win, I was angry. I was fighting with Akwa at that time. I faced Mbaka. I said, Mbaka, you're not even a prophet. If you claim to be a prophet, live in the Catholic. And if this is not the time of Jonathan, I challenged Mbaka. I said, they're going to close you. They're going to remove you for Roman Catholic. Within 7 days, I was on the mountain. They remove Mbaka for Roman Catholic. That is the number one way of Ebuka Obi getting follower. Number 2 way of Ebuka Obi getting follower now. Go and check the history and tell me when you begin to read. Is when I've conquered many people, I've saved many people from Marine Kingdom, from Okit and everything. I saved millions of peoples. My anger is not then going to Ebuka Obi church. My anger, he came and called us fake. He said he will be this man of God is trying. He said anyone that do spiritual work is fake. No, there's a spiritual work, there's a power. The kind of miracle I do, Ebuka Obi cannot do it. I'm on the phone, I settled thousands of people, not 1, not 2, not 3. All the people all my partners, many of them did not see me. I did it for complete 1 year and 2 years. On the phone, settle people case. So when you look at that, if other people seeing the raw power, the raw talent, he come and say, any man of God that is doing spiritual work is fake. This one, just to condemn me. It wasn't calling my name, but I know it's me he's talking to. One of my boys come and say, look at what this prophet is doing. Then Ebuka Obi did, if you have Okite, a program, bring it. Don't you know it? Why, when I call Okada, doing Okite, ask for any pastor, talk, come out. Why no come out that time? Then when I have conquered the battle of Akwa, take all the battle. Do you know how many demons that fought me? They put my name in 2,000 idol. Where is Ebuka Obi then? He claimed to be a man of God. This is a man of, I am one that restored Christianity, that restored kingdom of God. I said nobody can take the glory. I promise you, it must be disgraced, and that one has come. I told you, we rejected billions. Before I can reject, see, no, to expose something is the hardest thing, because when you are going to them expose. If you expose, people will start giving you money. You're hungry. Me and you know when you begin to expose evil, you cannot have follower. Me and you know when you begin to expose evil, you will not have money. So do you think I'm benefiting from what I do? Do you know how many people, even people from fake Zion have called me? How much are we going to give you? What do you want? So you stop doing all this thing you're doing. I say you can't bribe me. Nobody can bribe me. I am incorruptible. I am unstoppable. The reason why I love Martin Nanika because of truth. Because this is what I have known since I've been preaching before he came out 2013 or 14. That's why no matter what, putting his picture is just so. If all the Nigerians put National Nanika and speak about it, Nigeria government will check, they will release him. But everybody fear they will arrest you, Yes. They arrested Martin Nanika with his son, the same time. Don't come out since. All the Yoruba people came out. All the tradition came out. We saw the video. They saw the women. All of them came out on the street. But Ndi Igbo, you can see the video with Kebo because of Kurezo. When I was fighting with Akwa, all of you are watching. You are saying, why this one have not died? Why would I die? Now you go die first. Now your family go die first. What I've said about Akwa was it not true? But then he was thinking it's real tradition. Then he was thinking it's Omenala Igbo. Onye ọbụla makpo eburu arụsị nka oburu arụsị nka onye jide mmadụ ogbo onye ọbụla okit arụsị niile na-ewu na azụ Akwa Ọkọ started because ọ bịa gosi ego. Remember that video that post Akwa Ọkọ sị na eme ma ndị dibịa ọgwụ ọ na-eme pastọ ọgwụ ọ na-eme ndị drọg ọgwụ mkpụrụ mmiri a na-eme na Igbo na-egbusi ndị mmadụ na-eme ndị mmadụ na-agba ala ọhụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eme. But when you talk about it now somebody will pick offense. Let us hear what he said. Mbaka said that he hide under his name and using it to be doing arrange. That is his anger. And you're collecting billions and the trillion, and he come and tell us he don't collect money. Any prophet or pastor that build a hotel is a thief. Number one, that is where they get all your information. Once you lodge in that hotel, if I'm you, you're a fool. How can you, if you come, go and lodge somewhere. If you don't want them to know about you, go and lodge them, you know, expose them. Go and lodge somewhere else. How can you go and lodge in Prophet Hotel? They collect all your data. They ask you where you're from. They like everything. They like your name. They like your village. They like your state of origin. Tomorrow they will come and call Arinze from Canada. He said they see pieces. Emeka Okonkwo from London. This is information. We know those things. We know those things since I don't be today. I've been into prophetic ministry for a very long time. That's why when I came out, there's something that happened. As somebody like that, I said, no, this is how to expose it. I take it when I was supposed to TV Joshua, Jeremiah Buchiri, I said, let me die on this thing. I said, if I did not die that time, who are you? It's like, I can say, oh, who? J-Pack that is have already said, lady criminal. And then again, I call it up and down. I'll be afraid of. Now, God, you say, keep on defending evil until I has all fake bloggers. defending evil. Do you know how many people that all those fake church have killed, have destroyed? Some people that are into drug, instead they will come to you as a prophet. Tell me one person that doing drug that come to me, I have not advised him. Tell me one person that do Yahoo that come to me, I have not advised him. Show me one person I have not advised him to change. Many of them are changing. Many of them are happy today. But you will not tell them, because if you tell them, they will run for your church. Tomorrow you come and tell us you know they collect money. And you're busy buying land up and down. How do you get money to buy land? Are you a damn cote? So when you talk, thank God Mbaka is saying it now. Remove Ebuka Obi from Roman Catholic. If you say you have power, you have an anointing, come on from Roman Catholic and come on from Mbaka. Tell us the way I did it. I used to be Mbaka TV Dutcher son, but 2017, there's something I saw. Okay, now Ebuka Obi, come and denounce Mbaka if you're so powerful. Denounce that Mbaka is no longer your spiritual father. Come and denounce you're not part of Roman Catholic. Let me give you 3 months. If you do something again, people move. And you know I'm a fake prophet. I will tell you, when I talk, I can't talk. I am a man that stand with 1.16 million angel. God told me, do not have any spiritual father. I'm going to make my name through you. This is a promise. And God make it happen. So the reason why Ebuka Obi started him, because of me and Mbaka. When I fought all the battle, people are coming to see me. More than 1 million people. Ask me, you're in Nigeria. I never allowed them to come because I don't want to defraud. That is not the mission. The mission is not about to slay people or to confuse them. The mission we are moving, we want to tell you the truth. So if it's a member looking for, that is the opportunity for me to build a church and begin to control crowd. But I never do that. Because I don't want the message to change. But because you're blind, you're a fool. You just will come and say, anyone that do spiritual work. Anybody who does not do spiritual work is not a prophet. What is spiritual work? He thought a spiritual work is going to mellow to break egg. He thought spiritual work is doing. Go to idol, go to water and carry a bin. Anybody that do spiritual work who cannot do healing is fake. Oh yes, I never see you give a prophecy for one day. I never see you heal one person for one day. And you're doing spiritual work. What you're doing is not spiritual work. What you're doing, you're putting people into covenant. Because anywhere you went to kill blood, anywhere you kill blood and report it to people, that demon will start coming to them. Let me not teach you. I wanted to say something last time, I didn't say it. Because if I talk, I will talk many things at the same time. Let me come one after another by killing animal. If you go to idol and kill animal, that blood that they kill there, that means you have covenant yourself with that idol. So this one, yes, they used to go to water. It's not spiritual work. That is covenant to marine kingdom. So that brother, no Sabbath man that can show me one Sabbath man, that any Sabbath man that will take you to water and kill him is a fake. It's an occultic and idol worshippers. Any Sabbath, shall you detect them? Any Sabbath man that carry you to water and kill goats or kill cow and pour water and pour that cow to this thing, it's not possible. Sabbath can take you to water and a bath, which Jesus did. Any Sabbath that claim that is doing spiritual work carry you to water. Do you remember that when I told you, oh yes, they have many idols? He said he's going to kill me. Immediately, if I call his name again, I will die. Before they said that, he have already sent me an attack. I laugh. Because he doesn't know me. I am a wilderness prophet. I am not chasing crowd. If you say you're a prophet, you're whether Ebuka Obi, but come out on the street. Let us prove to the people that we can heal. Don't hide inside church and do miracle. Come and do the miracle. Let us see. You never do your thing. Jesus, they couldn't be Jesus. Jesus did not perform miracle. It's only one miracle performed inside synagogue. Other miracle was on the street. As an evangelist, you have no right to have hotel. You have no right to build church. You have no right to sell water. You have no right to sell oil. Anyone that says, this is my oil. Oil of favor and power. I don't send it. I give it to my... I send it of my partner. If you don't come to Nigeria, I don't give it to you. I don't send it. It's a gift. Highest, I would say, buy your water. Have any of my partner, have I asked you to go and buy anything or send you anything? It's your own water that I will use. Say, go and buy it. Because when I'm also to be one of the evangelists in Mountain of Fire. Mountain of Fire does not sell oil. You ask you, go and buy the oil for deliverance. Your own oil, buy it. When they finish, they give you. After 3 days dry, you use it to go. This is how they do it in class apostolic. They don't sell oil. The water there is free. Babylon water is free to today. So who are you to sell water? The miracle water of Babylon that he prayed, he coming out from stone, is free. If you don't know, it will teach you. People come all over the whole world to fetch the water. You know they dry. You know they dry. Water they come out from ground. You know they dry. Come out from stone. You know they dry. So if I don't, they say that one at 10,000. 50,000, 1 million naira. No pastor in Nigeria that doesn't pass through Babarora. Starting from Adeboye, Kumoye, all of them, nobody does not pass through that Babarora. Still, the mountain is free. If you go to that place, a lodge is free. Some they have hotel, some are 2,000. Now a prophet can build a hotel and say 50,000 and say 500,000. And when you want to talk, he say we are envy. Envy what? This is what people make people to call us fake. I have a lady that come from all the way from America and went to say and spend over 3.something million naira, and he have a witchcraft attack. He could not be healed. He went back to America. You see, not the spiritual work that healed him. The spiritual work, the woman was not there. It's only the picture and the name. But if the woman come direct, I can do, because it's not allowed. I have to do something that will make that thing to go. That you spend almost 3 months in this church, pay your hotel, spend all this money. Why your power no cure that person? He carry that sickness to go back. Tomorrow, the person will not say church is fake. And you acting to create like your real. The other ones are fake. Don't worry. I will bring proof of spiritual work and solution. I'm not saying it's not doing Sabbath. Don't say it's an idol worshiper. I'll say, Mass in Libya last year and the come and prove to the whole world that you're giving us power. Come and prove to us that idol is the same thing with your own by miracle. Because without power, you're nothing. If you cannot prove it on the camera, you're nothing. Take a date and put the challenge. Or pick a date and pick a challenge. We don't need to arrange this. I will prove it to any pastor in the world that claim that they have power. Come out and prove it. Ebuka Obi, pick a date and pick a venue. We must prove to the world. We must prove to Matthias that God they heal. You can't. Matthias, they don't talk about you. You want to call police. That means you're a fake. If you're not a fake, you can't arrest Matthias. You're supposed to prove it. That's what I'm expecting you to do. You're supposed to say, Matthias, bring those your sick people. He may say, I cannot heal cripple. I cannot heal blind person. But I can heal HIV. But I can heal something, some spiritual sickness. Then the same way you can tell that. He went to call police. He bring in gangster. On your God will punish all of you. Your cup don't fool. If it's not anything that you are evil, because of my page that he locked down, because of what he want to be learning, I'll tell you, you have crashed. You have touched the longer tail. I told you. I cannot be afraid of you. For you to pay boys, useless prophet, criminal. Because we are talking your evil you're doing, you went to pay boys. You are just Agwu and the others, your useless Akosai. You want to pay boys to come and be hacking people page. You hacked my page that is 5,000 followers. He hacked my page that is 10,000 followers. He have all my almost who is hacking it? Ebuka Obi and his agent, all of you, God will punish you. Your pop don't free. Now I told you. Where I am in if I not matter if I don't call police for anybody. I know we can't fight you, but that spiritual thing that you claim that you have, I will use it to make sure I bring you down. Forget how much you have. Then will come when all those your gangster will start cutting blind. If something not happen to them, they will not run. It's a promise. Let them keep on reporting page. See my page now. Come and report. If you know Brian or how much you have, you will know I'm not in the video. As long as this is I'm saying, come on, can never just Agwu went to Brakebeni me. Since that time, half you are starting learning from Zion. You learn to this prophet today. You learn for come out. You know what? But don't worry, the time has come. Now, just Agwu say, thank the this. I think you're defending them before. Because I told you, when God wants to expose you, you use your own friend to power us. This one I can't defend because this is Mbaka, your spiritual father. Then now come and tell us if Chanhancha Mbaka don't say and finish. You know do and finish. Now you will be small boy for Chanhancha. What do you see? How many years is a ministry? That is the future Hancha, Okucha Hancha. Mbaka will be your spiritual father. No, it's an arrange by their writing numbers and giving to you. If it's not arranged, why are you building a hotel and collecting 50,000? You're charging people 50,000. Okay. If somebody person will hear word for you, you go on and come out and shout. You're selling oil for people. Selling water for them. Seraphic oil, Seraphic hotel. Are you a criminal? Did Jesus Christ, since you're talking from Bible, show us where Jesus Christ built a hotel. No, you're real, we're fake. Show us anybody that have a hotel is fake, is a thief, is arranging. Show us where Jesus Christ build the hotel. Show us where Jesus Christ sell oil. Show us where, since you don't know Jesus, where Jesus Christ do spiritual work. But you know how where Jesus Christ build hotel, Abi? No, you know how Jesus Christ build hotel? People they come, they pay a night to 50,000. Which kind of criminal pass that one? This is how you used to correct all the people that are delivered from. Okay, they said for them to know true God. He started them to marry God. Screaming, talking, shouting because he have follower. Don't worry. As he could Africa. If it's not some neighbor that interfere in Matthias, you would have rubbished the guy, kill himself. That's what your plan. Your plan, your evil plan is to kidnap that guy. Or what thing will happen? One thing they will know in this life, I'm here, they know I've not today. If it's to die, I have lived 20 years of my death. I was shot 7 bullets 2006. So I have lived to enjoy myself because I'm supposed to have died then. Many people have died now. Assassin, nobody say they go follow the shoot God. Assassin came, shot me gun because of what they saw the destiny. No, nobody, I know they talk fruit. When I came out, I look at it, I said, all this million I have. My company in Ghana, I call one of my boy, Richard, I said, bring 2 million, take the company. Bring 2 million, let's 2 million for me from the company. I have 2 shops in Ghana. I have in Cantonmento. If you go to Ghana, go to Cantonmento. I say, let's 2 million. Take the place. I'm not interested. Why? Because of I say, so if I die, I saw they for the chop my money up and down. I call my faithful drivers. They have 20-something buses. I call my faithful drivers. I say, okay. Some things say I don't die. So when I come and see the one where they carry my motor to go to their house. When I look at it, I say, men are wicked. Some don't spoil the motor. Some use that they run their own business. Because when I was shot, I know that they are targeting me, so I didn't come out for some months. So some of my drivers don't carry my motor to go to park for their house. They will record it for phone, they don't go pick. So the ones who say they're faithful to me, they are 10. I say, this motor, if they came back from, because I used to do marketing, I won best distribution company in Africa. By Jonathan gave me 2 million in 2005. So why I'm always mentioning this? So you don't think who is talking to you. If it's ministry I'm doing, do you know the level of my ministry? No, that is a ministry of God. I'm imparted life. I've done movie that change people's life. I'll be exposing this man doing now from movie. I will be bringing it out. My movie is more of like occultic and the reality. That's why I am one of the best. So when I want to enter ministry, I say anything that will make me not to speak the truth, let me not be part of it. When I find out that TV don't chat, that's why I go follow the door. They just say no. God forbid. This is not why. Why I came to ministry because my 3 brothers died and it's my next to die. So God cannot save me and come out to deceive people over my dead body. Because I made a vow with God on mountain. I said, God, if you give me power, I will go into this. That's why someone will see me, he laugh. He said, you don't have members. Do you know how many members that I have? I don't want to be, I hide my identity for many years. That's why I can be able to preach from Lagos to Abuja, from Abuja to Port Harcourt on the marketplaces. Go to my page, you watch it. Why I'm doing all those things? Without collecting money. I use my own money. Show me one person who have done that. Going around doing miracle without collecting money. Real miracle. Without collecting money. God now told me that he can't do this my role. Start partner. Anyone who does not want to join partner. That's why you can raise money, you can help yourself to be able to do it. Because I have people that I prayed for. 2005. The guy I prayed for this guy. He promised me. His brother was in jail in South Africa. When I prayed for him, he have a breakthrough. They raised his brother. He told me that if his brother came out, they will build a church for me. That's why I stopped believing in anybody. There are 3 people. I make a billionaire. These are the first time I take their name every day. They go mountain, they pray. Hoping that if these men are okay, they will do what? I am okay. This man now disappointed me. One letter, they water the one from Dubai. The other one letter, that one still saying. That one they deported for. They say he doesn't know it's my miracle. He doesn't know it's my prayer that I'm making to. These are somebody that lived in somebody's house before. I now did a special prayer for them. I told them 21 days. After that, boom, he travel. Somebody paid almost this thing, $1 million for him to travel to Dubai. Then the other person, somebody sponsored $6,000 because he only came back from Thailand. He used to do 419. He have a case in Thailand, the land. I could not enter Thailand. When I do the prayer finish, they cancel the case of 16 years in Thailand. This is not fruit. I know they do video that time. If I do video, I'll go look for them. Bring the video. This is like 2000 and I know they do video 2015. I know they do video that time. We know they do video on the post, no. But the guy now is in the Lucky here. Chevron selling cars, bringing big cars. But I told him that because it's own problem, but there's an idol in their father's house. When I was praying, I saw that idol catch fire. Then I told him, you're going to say cars, see cars. Prophecy, there's a real prophet. There's a real prophecy. But let all these Alenginos come and make it. That's why I say, come and prove it to the streets. If you're a prophet, come to the street and prophesy to people that you don't know. Don't come and prophesy to people that lodge in a hotel. People that lodge in a hotel, they have their, please share the telecast and click love and click here. They are reporting my page. Click love and click share. Thank you very much. Let me now pray this video back and then I will continue from there. Please. I watch and share it. See, anything I tell you, Allah, if it's not truth, anything I tell you here, if you find out it's not truth, come and take 15 million. Somebody go to your hotel, lodge inside hotel, or come to your hospital. They don't do the woman at Trenta. Scanner, no saying they twins, no in them. Tomorrow, the prophet can come and say, this Nkechi, he have twins. They don't already know that Nkechi is their members. You have watched my movie, the more of exposing a occult. And there's a movie I make in 2004. There's a people that call me Occultic Kingdom, Shekila Kingdom, they worship snake. I did a movie that okay, it's turning to snake and sleeping with women will be dying. I'll be bringing those things. So they call me from Shekila Kingdom in Benin City. They know they can see. They saw where I am. They told me where I am, and I'm in VI. They told me the color of my car. They told me they will kill me if I did not they move that movie. Why did I do that? Desperate billionaire. Go and watch that movie. That movie is not. That is a true life story of a girl. So then I used to crop a lot. I was coming out for a crop. But those girls said I saw them in London. I picked them. They said one of man don't kill one of their girl. Kill one of their friend. That man used to turn to snake. I know that's why when I'm preaching, I preach with confidence. I preach what I know. I don't preach fantasy. How many times I don't believe in lie. I believe in more Old Testament than the New Testament because New Testament is almost like contradicting from what God said. God said that you keep commandments. Somebody say how His grace, do the way you like. Who changed Sabbath to Sunday? These are the emperor, Roman Catholic goddess, Church of Satan. Change Sabbath to Sunday, and you believe that one man-made God than the God own. That's why there's no power. Even Bakara is talking, he can't stand to defend what he's preaching. When he told you not to give you a Sunday backup, you cannot bring it. He can't. Last
Sunday, I didn't mention anybody's name.
He didn't mention anybody's name. We don't know who they talk to. This is what the Senator Ebuka Obi said. When I was telling Ebuka Obi, you're calling other people fake. He said, I didn't mention anybody's name. But you know who you're talking to. You're talking to somebody. Who are you talking to? You're talking to other people who see them as fake. This is a gift that God has given to me. I have a pantry that God planted in my house. That pantry, I've used it to destroy many kingdoms. I use it to save people that want to die. When I cut it, people they are getting free. Then when you look at it, you say, anyone that this, do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? It is spiritual work is a child spray. But when I told you I've done the spiritual work in your head, Alpha, since that time, have you got to yourself? Since you know the work. No, since the spiritual work, not the work. Since how come you're having problem? Since that November you reported my page. Since the spiritual work, not the work. How come you're facing problem? You and Becca not be friends. How come? Don't worry, go confirm. Say spiritual work, the work. If you say spiritual work, not the work, challenge me, make I do it for your head. Ask a work or whether spiritual work, the work or not the work. Ask Obi, whether spiritual work, the work or not the work. Ask me, that's why if I call them and they run away, they know if they walk. They know that's the angels. When I say I have 1.16 million angels, they know it's truth. Why you want to do that? When I challenge them, why they don't come out to that last year begin to? They know. If they know say they will pass me, they don't want to be disgraced. Why would the Major haven't taken the challenge? No. The say any man of God, anyone in the world, both in Israel, I represent Israel. Make a come out. I don't come out to the Major, pick a date, I pick a venue, can walk on. When Mazibe was talking nonsense, I was busy fighting with the Church of Satan. But right now I'm ready. Pick a date, pick a venue. He said was sick, he's well. Thank God you're well. You know, thank God nothing happened to you. Pick a date and pick a venue. Let me prove to you that Mazin Nandekalo know what he's saying. You think your wisdom more wiser than Mazin Nandekalo? When Mazin Nandekalo was born as a Roman Catholic, grew up as a Roman Catholic, I tell you that this is the way. You think we're following him because he's a fool? You think I'm following him because he's doing agitation? Well, I'm following him because of truth. I follow Mazin Nandekalo because of truth. If not 100% truth, Mazin Nandekalo is 99% is truth. In politician, truth. In church, truth. True of us. Okay. Nobody saying Christianity now don't give you gay. No. Nobody saying Christianity now Pope don't give you gay. But you will not see it. Mbaka don't there for the liberation. If Mbaka claim that they have changed, come out first. Come out for Roman Catholic. If Ebuka Obi say, if come out for Roman Catholic and denounce Mbaka as a spiritual father, let me see how powerful you are. That is Mbaka follower that they collected. When they closed Mbaka church, they collected all these followers. And when I fight with Okite, many people that have been deceived from church came out and they look at me, they look at you as somebody who is doing the same thing. And they now use what you enter Okite. Say, anybody who enters Okite, bring it. This is how manipulated that you used to manipulate people. So I know your trick. You can fool the whole Nigeria and fool the whole Igbos. But I will tell you, because tomorrow, even if you put it today, I will prove it to you that you don't have power. Power that you have, this much more demon can manifest. When we are talking about principalities and power to settle case, that is a case terrible. You can't. You can't. You're not a prophet. You're an evangelist. Evangelists have limits. Remember that angels have limits. Angel Gabriel was arrested by demons. But Angel Michael was not arrested. Why? Because he's an angel of battle. He came to defend and release Angel Gabriel. Angel Gabriel is the angel of vision. Angel Gabriel can work with you, can see vision. That doesn't mean you're powerful. He may not give some solution. But I'm working with 1.60 million angels, archangels, angel of throne, angel cherubim, angel dominion, angel Michael, angel Gabriel, angel Raphael, angel Seraphim, angel of fire. I have many archangels. So you can't compare me with you. You come and look at what I did. He said, who told you? Under what domination are you used to say, any man of God, I have this kind of crowd. Which crowd do you have? Do you have crowd more than Mbaka, or do you have crowd more than who do you have crowd more than? Which crowd do you have? Any man that have this kind of crowd. That thing to show that you are fake, because God never say crowd, God say 2 or 3. That's why when I read Bible 7 times, I never see Sunday. I never see when God say you need crowd to be a man of God. He said the world will reject you. Then I stop chasing crowd. I stop chasing crowd. I know crowd. What is crowd? God is saying when 2 or 3. I gather. That's what is in the Bible. I mean, you're telling me crowd. He said, if you of God, they will reject you. Mazin Nandekalo, you will know there's a prophet. He's rejected. They put him in prison. I have entered prison because of what? I'm trying to expose evil. A man, the family, they killed a gay mother. Take the gay destiny. And they give the girl a poison, die. When I come and look at that, look at what killed this girl. So they thought they can use police to intimidate me. One day, not to call police be the problem, not to the end of it. We just fight the means. Even if police will turn against a power house. When you're busy calling other people fake, you're happy. So you move. But now your spiritual father have come to call you fake. Where are we going to move now? Where does that move? They don't learn. Shame on all of you. Come on the report page. I told you this year, we got 4 there. We got no there where. All the occultic church of Satan will close down. Forget the crowd. Those your crowd will disappear under taker of my eye. If you call yourself a prophet, come on from Roman Catholic and come on from back up. Come and challenge the video way. You hide under Mbaka domination. Neko. Hide under Roman Catholic. Who don't know say Roman Catholic church now the one of the biggest platform. Even if you're not a prophet, you can't perform miracle, you can still get crowd if you're Roman Catholic. Because they already have a circle. So you can't come and say, make mouth. When we are talking, you talk. When prophet they talk, you talk. If you fake, they talk. You fake evangelist. You're not even a priest. You're not even a reverend father. You hide under the man Catholic. You're criminal. Because if you want to be a reverend father, you're a virgin. Why you not become father? No, you're a virgin. Why you not become father now? You know, use that you're virgin to become father. A dropout. A dropout is a dropout. What make you drop out? That means you're a failure. A failure is a failure. He did not pass the level to become father. A dropout. Went to do business. That means you don't know what you want. If I had that opportunity when I was young to become priest, had people that would guide me, do you think he will see my back? Me, I have to even conquer my battle in my father's house before I can begin to talk about my own journey. I have to fight demons. I have to fight what killing people in my family before I will talk about thinking of how to come out and become pastor. Many years I've been fighting battle. That's why I can tell you this, that. I'm telling you experience because my brother they take it to TB Joshua, he still die. That's why I know those people cannot deliver you from marrying kingdom. Our senior brother, they carry him, he spent like 1 month in TB Joshua press. Those times they used to go and stay there. This is not a fluke, it's truth. He died. TB Joshua could not see him. His boy pray for him. Why he could not see him? You know, these are the same kingdom. I mean, I tell you the truth. Sometimes you go to man of God, they cannot see you. The demon have come to meet them. Say, this person is our own victim. They will act like they're busy. That's why if you come, they will minister like 2 people. Keep you on that background and this thing. And the way they see people that are using another means to deliver you, they want to cascade it, tell you these ones are fake. So he will not run to where they will deliver you. He that is not fake. I have like 2 people. I can bring that man that leg locked. It was in your church for more than how many months? Why not deliver him? Since you're reign. And he came to a fake man deliver him. Again, people that come from Canada, this way, come to your church. Spend millions. They could not see you, they go back. That fake people, deliver them with spiritual power. That means you don't know what you're doing. You're the fake. Because somebody bring a problem for you, you cannot solve it, and they want another person to solve that problem. No, man, that means the person is more than you. You carry your motor now, your motor spoil, take it to company. That you think, see, let me tell you, many of you are fools. You go and look at it, you say the company, Jaman, this one, carry your motor, go there, they will charge you 2 million naira. A boy that have experience on the street will collect 20,000 and do that same thing. If you do that, it's easier for you to have to give him maybe like 50,000 or that 20,000, you now give him 10,000. It's after all, maybe one not a diet. Because I make it easy for you. Do you know how many years it take me to know this and do it for you? Something that you have going to many churches, going to places, sowing seed, moving around, no solution. You just come and do one prayer for you. It will solve. You think it by power. This is by because I have a covenant with God. It's a covenant. In many years preparation. We have come. Nobody can challenge. Nobody can take the glory of their way, and nobody can take it. It must take street challenge. Any pastor, if like bring police, he will go to court. He must come to street and prove that your miracle. He must prove it. That's your miracle you claim you do. You must prove it on the street, because all of them are fake. Any miracle done inside church is fake. Any miracle is edited is fake. We don't need a detailed miracle. Show us how you perform that miracle from beginning to end. Let people see. Come to street or market and perform the same miracle. Go on the street and perform the same miracle, because we cannot say we are man of God, we are powerful. People are assaulting you every day, calling you fake. I cannot do something. Prove it to them by proof. That's why I said 2022, people will not see me. I will do miracle online. Everybody will confirm. I did it. When I did all this, one person come and say, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. Everybody that do spiritual, just to demote what I did. So you will see him as a righteous man. What righteous are you? You that working against God. Anybody that worshiping men is worshiping Satan. You're working against the Most High. Bow down to grave image. Was Jesus a white man? Me and you know Jesus Christ was not a white man, he was a black man. So how come? How come you're giving them white Jesus? How come you're giving them white Jesus? Was Jesus a white man? Jesus a black man? He's a Jew. So how come you're giving them the white one and they believe? How come you're giving them the white Jesus and they believe? He said for you to introduce them to black Jesus. I want to put the picture here. Awaken. Our people must be awake from deceive. If you look at the picture I'm putting white Jesus and black Jesus. So, but if you see the white one now, you say, call it fake. See the white Jesus by my left, see the black one by my right. But you now, they have showed you this one for many years. Fake one. You believe. But if you look at the one that look like Ndi Igbo now, you say it's fake. I don't understand this man again. But they try to preach. We are digging out the truth to you. I have vowed not to lie to my people. Anybody who can challenge that Jesus is white man, I'll give you $2,000. Anyone who can prove from Ebuka Obi Zion members, Mbaka Zion members, Oyedekpa Zion members, anybody say, if he can prove it to me that Jesus is a white man, bring the proof that it's not black man, I'll give you $2,000 now, cash. $2,000 is 2.something million. I'll give it to you. Cash. Prove it to me on this telecast. Show us. Since you are liars, you that are doing fake LNG, Mary your worship is fake. Sunday your worshiping is fake. Rosary your reading is fake. Zion your talking is fake. Zion does not belong to Roman Catholic people. Zion belongs to people of Sabbath. If you don't know, you're not a Zion by name. You're Zion by a covenant. Zion is a place of the holy of the holies. People that keep covenant. So if you're doing evil, you never make a certain things. Now confuse people. I want us to keep quiet. So tomorrow, somebody talk about Zion. You say, now you get Zion. Who make you get Zion? How Zion belong to you? Does Zion belong to Roman Catholic people? He practices Roman Catholic people. So stop confusing people. You want to practice Jewish, practice Jewish. You want to practice Zion, Zion. He practice Sabbath. That is for Shabbat people. That is for holy people. That is for people of Israel. That is for people of Jew. He cannot answer Zion and be doing things of Roman. No, it's not allowed. Bible is against it. If you think, oh, time of Moses, they'll burn you and burn you alive. Because we're working against the Most High. They kill people in the Bible because of what? They break the Sabbath day. You just can't come to scatter everywhere. You build a hotel, you're proud. You know they collect money. They sell olive oil to people for miracle. You know they collect money. They sell water, Seraphim water. You know they collect money. And you call other people on. You're the real fake and criminal. Because even Jesus, they did not sell hotel. They did not use things of God. They're just doing business, their own business. They are selling pigeon, selling goats, doing their own business. And Jesus came and get angry. Say, these merchandise cannot bring to the house of God. It's scattered everywhere. But you that call yourself priest now, you sell oil. Some oil, I bought oil for 100,000. If you like oil, there are some people sell oil 200,000. Say spiritual oil. There are ones that say spiritual. You don't know what is spiritual. They say spiritual oil. Light it one name. Do as I say, you buy. Talk and I do, you buy. Seraphim, an angel, you buy. What is in behind it? You don't know. Let us calculate everywhere. 2024. I told you this. I know they fight war, but you people have touched the lion tail. Because he that bring other people down to rise, other men will rise to bring him down. You want to rise, be genuine to rise. And they are fighting me. Why are they fighting you? Because you're bringing everybody down. You want to bring all the women down because maybe you have some daughters, they want to go and start their own church. Some of your prophets that are working with you, they want to go and open church. If you don't know, let me tell you what you're planning. So they want all their members now to run for their own church and come to your own. So who are you? You're God. No, you want all the women that shouldn't have church. Jesus never said all of them, they should close down, they should come to Zion because they're going. Come and hear what Mbaka said. Your wife is looking for baby. You go and stay in one place 21 days, 30 days, 100 days in a fasting. You know, go meet you 3 months. Now virgin go pregnant to you. You will not go and meet your husband and be checking for the time that you're supposed to sleep with your husband and you go to hospital and do tests or take herb. Take him, but check whether you have fibroid. Check whether you have one thing that can make you check your husband the sperm count, whether it's low, that make you not to have children. You go and be sleeping 3 months, 4 months before you know it. You come by your husband, don't find another girlfriend. Your family will not divide it into 2. You say, you don't know what happened. They are trying you. Nobody trying you. It's your fake pastor, fake prophet that didn't tell you the truth. Why will you go and be sleeping in the church? You got to pay for hotel 6 months. You know, get sense. Not be hotel business. Not gonna come shoot me gun. Wait till I remain. I know say this thing now. Tomorrow you are looking for people that will assassinate me. But I'm here to tell my people truth. I better to save my life than to do this thing. Everything I say is truth. You are a prophet, close your church if you're not a thief. Close your church, close your hotel, close your water, and close your oil. This is not allowed in the Bible. Since you're looking for Bible, back up. Yes, show me in the Bible. If anybody can show me where Jesus Christ built a hotel, I'll drop my Bible. If anybody can show me where Jesus Christ said oil, I will drop my Bible. If anybody can show me where they sell water in the Bible, I will drop my Bible. I will know that God is fake. Show me. Since you want to know, they show you. You know, see when God said that shall not bow down to Mary. To Yakorabu. If no, I be like a go on bamba or the my feet sit down. That's it. Talking to frog. Talking to Umature Uche. And I talk about Nabo Naba. My mother don't go by Mary. Mary have promised me. If not, so let me die tomorrow. A little girl left from there 2020. Mary promised me billions. They came there, different demons. I killed over 200,000 demons. But if you watch it, you call it RNG. But you watch RNG, call it Ray. You don't know where you go Yara. Well, they come here to tell you. I said this, I will not talk again. But if I didn't say this, I would die. This is why I'm living. Because it's what I enter covenant with God. God has told me nobody can fight you. Anybody that fights me will die with his family. Who am I? Who am I? Show me the man, my native doctor and the pastor that have said something that doesn't have problem. Show me one person. Even Jeremiah, when I told him, he didn't have problem. Buchiri, when I told him, he didn't have problem. He didn't run for South Africa. Check nobody, both man of God and the idol people. Check all of them. Anybody I mention his name, he will not have problem. So you're trying. God said, no man knows it all. And they said there's nothing new under the sun. And nothing is hidden from God. So that your corner that you think you know. God will give. I have tapped into third heaven. I tapped into 7 senses. If you're talking now, look at you. I'm already know what you're trying to do. I don't need to come to your house. If you're talking now, we'll look at you. A talk, I will tell you what you want to do. If you're lying, I know. Because I have tapped into the top sense. If you're talking about me, even if you're not showing it, I know. There are some people who call me. I know they're talking against me. They just want to hear what I would say. That's why when you call me, say, I cut your phone. I said, drop your message. Many of them cannot drop their message because they want me to be talking, so they cannot got my voice. So they use it to do 419, or they say this one. No. If I want my voice to be everywhere, I will release my voice. If I don't want, I will not. You cannot hear my voice. People call me for all this Ezugo, useless Ezugo. Call me, come and do program with me. Beg me, light me. So tomorrow you say, I'm doing program with me. Now come and be exposing, talking nonsense. Because I'm exposing their evil. They will enter first. Before they came out, they use Connie to come. But I never give him chance. Thank God. That's why he need wisdom. Ezugo, every morning, 5 o'clock, he will be writing me. Useless Ezugo. He coming to talk about me. When they come back from abroad, I was thinking to see the mansion that you're going to build. In a defend the Zion. What do you know about the Zion? Say, be careful, kill your papa there. What do you know? What do you know the history of church? If they talk Mbaka fighting. These are the end time. God is using everybody to expose everybody to make sure truth come. If this exposure was not happening, church will close down. Mbaka know that the church, the market have already destroyed. So he's trying to gain forward back. He have been doing that condemning. So let him condemn. Start. He started it. So Kape wires. That is condemning is what he used to gather crowd. He used the condemning and the wayo 419 to gather crowd. But that everything will be open. God will know. If you say Mbaka no be your backup, resign from Mbaka. If you say Makatri no they give you power, no be their member they use. Come on for Makatri, let me see if you will have members. Then if you talk, if you talk, I talk, you gonna say you're a man. I stand on my own to fight kingdoms. I am the spiritual warlord. African black Jesus. They pray, they show. You know, if you do, stand and see. If you say attack in the court. No, only one talk, Mbaka don't talk. All of you don't the shake. They bring out video. And the Covenanzo and the J-Pack, they do. All those you make Mbaka to get more angry. You make Mbaka to get more angry. Okay, you know those things. As a governor, you know this thing since how many years? What do you call it? Peter Obi was ready. So you're evil. If you know such secret, you didn't bring it out. Why didn't you governor? Why didn't you expose Mbaka that time? That time I was fighting, I was talking about Mbaka, all of you against me. So why are you bringing it now? Something that happened almost 1 year or 2 years ago. Just because Mbaka has come to expose your own follower. Let us be honest. We buy TV now. Something that happened over how many years? Why not bring that time? That time the thing happened. Why not tell us? The same way I'm telling you about this thing you're fighting. Tell us on time. Don't tell us when things. You're not exposing nothing. Exposing something means that time that thing happened, you don't, or before it happened. That means you're exposing. You don't expose something when things don't spoil finish. Now Mbaka have decided to be a good man, to tell us the truth. Mbaka, God bless you. Even if you are my enemy, for this talk, Mbaka talk, God bless you. I am now Mbaka fan. I am now Mbaka fan. Because Mbaka have joined to expose the evil. I don't have an enemy. He wants to say the truth. Mbaka, for this preaching that Mbaka have preached yesterday and today, I am one of his fans because this is a thing that I expect men of God to be saying. Let us hear this thing Mbaka said.
Last Sunday, I didn't mention anybody's name, but if you claim that you are the one, let it be you. Woe betide me if I don't preach the word of God. What is fake is fake.
Yes.
I am warning men of God everywhere. Stop anything RNG prophecy. I didn't say it by mistake. It is an unmistakable utterance.
Yes.
Any RNG miracle. If you want to do, I'm even talking about prophecy. I've not come to the issue of the miracle. That one is another issue. I will still come to it sometime by the grace of God. If after 28 years in this prophetic Calvary cross I'm carrying, I cannot look at somebody and tell you the truth, then I am not serious. The worst you can do is to use my name and defend the rubbish you are doing.
Hide on that Mbaka. I've been Mbaka.
Rubbish because there's no reason why.
I've been Mbaka son.
Somebody who is looking for the fruit of the womb or a male child will come to a man of God, a woman of God. Instead of praying for the person that God will answer the prayer, you tell the person it is their mother-in-law. Forget that rubbish.
Mbaka Piwago has
the Holy Spirit and destroy somebody's marriage. This is their husband. Anytime a male child comes, he uses it in the occult. But you won't get to again and more. I don't know more.
Please share the telecast. God bless you.
Many marriages are destroyed.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us.
Prophecy from the so-called men of God. What a rubbish.
Truth is out. Truth is truth.
Somebody that you know that has come to you with a problem of such a nature. My husband has given me only this year or I lose the money.
So if I were a mother.
Why don't you invite that man for prayer? If it's a prayer for gender selection, the person you need most is the husband, not the woman. What is that woman doing in your prayer house?
Every day. Every day, a miracle.
Can you cook me up?
Share this thing. This is a lot of truth. Yeah, even they go be do bloggers. All of those your group will soon learn. Then I report to page. Before they watch all very soon. Then they come and report on Mbaka page. Let us go and arrest him. Mbaka have said the truth. Let us go and arrest him. What is our position? If a native doctor die, I say kill her. Or is it local? If you cannot expose what is happening in your own domain, you are evil. Mbaka, God bless you. I will sow seed from Mbaka. Send me account number from Mbaka. I will sow seed. 500,000. Come on here.
We have a lot to share today, many things to share.
At least.
Just relax your mind.
It's not only me that's speaking this now. Share the telecast. God bless you. No,
is it the Holy Spirit that told you that, or you manufactured the story? And as Paul says in 1 Corinthians chapter 9, his preaching is not to make money.
The grace of Prophet David Yahweh have final disgrace
to find money.
Zion of Satan.
What? You can job with the Bet Niger prophecy.
Kai,
Bet Niger. The prophecy made Bet Niger. Try and look.
Try Bet Niger prophecy.
One informer from Enugu. Informer from Enugu. Gamuwa woke mbedo.
Chai.
Informer no dey no Enugu.
Jepa kona don cast. Your format don't cast. Umu feke. Alo jana hotel. Ano jana hotel. Nako chando mara number. Submit. Don't worry.
Why are you being made up? So one day you say, what is wrong with your brain?
What is wrong with your brain? What is wrong with your brain? What is wrong with your brain? Umu feke. Ndi Igbo. Apargo battery, huh? Listen.
Hi. One
Emeka Ndi Igbo. Emana afe Emeka can go everywhere. Emeka na-achọ Israel na ye.
Emeka okeke one nọ na Enugu ukwu. Okeke one nwere n'Ituku.
Mbaka is a master in the game. He's telling you the secret now. No be say no.
You are being bamboozled.
Mbaka agbago church ọtọ find that.
They have hooked into erroneous belief.
Ọsọ ata na church 2024 agwara m ụlọ. Ọsọ ga-ata.
Such things do not last.
Ndị na-aga na member, don't worry. Very soon your member will scatter. You will know who is a prophet. Prophet.
What is fake
will fade. You don't need a prophet. You don't need a church crowd to have money to do your this if you're a prophet. A prophet don't need church. Don't church. Now confuse enter
into business and do it. Stop using the name of God to do people.
That's it. Everything merchandise. You don't turn the church to business. You don't build a hotel. You don't build water. You dey sell oil. You dey walk. Now, so one side. Another hotel up and down. And then Ghana. You don't go. Now blackmail other people. Men of God, they are fake. You already are the reason why they are fake. Some reason why you are better than pastor. In the case you don't know.
The worst is even.
The one that's doing the right thing.
Somebody picks names of people to a man of God. Man of God, pray for me.
Some prophets are more powerful than prophets. In case you don't know. They have the gift. That doesn't mean they will charge of water. They better cooperate.
And the woman, after going to the man of God, came back with tears. What she may never tell anybody.
Allah they go into virgin boy. Allah the young mother. And I make Allah is here young mother. Why not? I say why my chukwu
simba. She said we never go to church.
Okay, by this why? 80% of them is why now when Allah is here at church. It will say come and enter church. Which church? Even if you're a real man of God, they will never believe.
Broken heart. Open power.
Child. Aro.
You know, go to get me a isi.
They don't want mother not
to use the case for Hannah. Hannah met Eli, and Eli said, "Go, may the God of Israel answer your prayer." Eli never told Hannah, "Stay."
Hear him. Eli never told him to stay. Why will you come and lodge in a hotel? A woman will carry a bag, leave your husband, come and lodge in a hotel 3 months. Workers are not allowed. Pastor are not allowed. Most of them are going to lodge in a hotel. When working in America, but I hook up. You think we don't know those things? We think we don't know these things. And I say, ah, the envy. Envy what? Truth. This is why what destroys Christianity. Ella, no, I don't get to the prophet. Listen, not get to where Ella go stay. But he said, no, pray for the woman that you go home. When you're married, but today in the church, you say, I'm out there. On not 21 days, not 17 days. You know, that prayer, not the work for your house. You don't give him prayer to go and do with his husband. If you online, now solve people problem without seeing them. They call that one fake because of what they want to scatter your means. Isiagu will not mad. Don't worry. No, if you want to shock, I will remain there and I remain as a fool. And I leave. People are working on it.
And she went with the countdown and changed. First Samuel 1:16 to 17. What is happening in the places of prayer?
A lot of things.
In the name of prophecy. If you want to be famous, you can be famous by any other means.
In the name of after Hanja.
For this talk, God bless you. As I was preaching last Sunday, I didn't mention anybody's name. But if you claim that you are the one, let it be you.
I want to cause them back up. I want to cause them back up. I want to cause Okura again. Let me look for it at Ebony Sun page. Let me own it.
As I was preaching last Sunday, I didn't mention anybody's name.
This one.
But if you claim that you...
Not this one. I want another one.
As I was preaching last Sunday, I didn't see this video where you watch. Hey! Mbaka don't talk another one. Mbaka cook another one. How can you cook Mbaka cook also? When I watch the video, is it that Mbaka the we or no in the jealousy? Say other men of God they collect his members.
Whether on the we will, on the we will.
His son, that virgin boy, that way they Lagos, they collect his members or what? I don't know. This time around, the way Mbaka carry the expose, they put the man on the men of God. I don't know. Now Mbaka we keep them exposed like this.
Mbaka don't enter.
When I watch the video, watch the video. Somebody there is charming a man of God. Come.
Somebody charming a man of God. Really. Hey. Mbaka, the chairman of God. Arrange master. You're fake. Reality. They are channeling me. They are trying me.
The people will see the person and scream and begin to interrogate, and the truth will come out.
Try. Man, I don't know about them where they pay money. I don't know about them.
They are here to believe it. The man of God. But we saw you.
Alenji. Hi, Mbaka Abopo have.
But that will not lead you to begin to do rubbish, satanic things to defame the message of the gospel.
Ndi Igbo enough.
It was about the original, a general fake.
No fake.
That is fake. It was the
original.
I say fake is in the heart. How about you give art?
Art is in there.
Blindness. Maybe someone drink it for Christian.
The art blindness.
One day you will be paralyzed. If anybody wants to be famous, don't use the gospel of God to do that.
To deceive people.
If you want to act film, cool.
Art film. Film is different. I can act film. I can do film. I know I can do film.
And God wants people to fall. Holy Spirit can slay some people.
People can fall. Miracle is real. Don't fake it.
Begin to hire those that are going to fall.
Hire bloggers.
Or you kill man I'm a doer here. Oh, whenever I got here,
Man, you lose a forehead. They can guess where they hit you go fall. At your book. Ezoku. David Yahweh. We go kill you, go do this, go do this. Let's see like Matthias. Don't worry. Chai. Alenja Joka.
And get the real, get the fake. The fake. Praise the living God. I bet your body, young man, or cock Isiagu. And he was not blind.
Not one, not two.
Not blind.
I can remember that. I don't know. Nando.
And the worst, then he also, his heart was broken. Now, every year to be glad. Because more people who came to do that, they will be those against. I said, you want the branch, how many band? I'm not going to organize branch by branch. I didn't get on any side, didn't get on side that. I want that. What actually is happening? All the years I was with Father Njoko, I never saw him fake miracle. So that's this. How can people be faking such things? Arrange.
Okudova. Akuruga arrange. I told you this year, you know. But I can't hack my page.
Okay, now, Papa, I was saying you wouldn't that man. What about those whose marriages were broken by men of God?
Hey, I call him back. I try for this one. I will make a donation to this thing because you need the basic. So if a member goes scatter, we go help you. They make donation. If you can be telling us truth, if you can be speaking, you know, you people are proud. You don't have sense. If I'm you, where my money go they go? Now man or God will speak the truth. So you go encourage them. As in back as with this now, you will get an enemy. You can see like people like J Park and the government, they begin to all those people where they make money for Zion. They don't begin to protest. But that will be in back up for this one. I don't know channels are pure so nice. I go support them back up for this one and die. Don't know channels anything. J Park is not having anybody. But I better buy the way. I get you know so look at matter. Those who go I could over the last man standing. Prophet David Yahweh, the spiritual warlord. Plus 1 2 3 4 9 0 plus 1 2 3 903 222 6076. I have only one WhatsApp line. I don't ask money online, and I can't pay $1 to see me. So I see people on Saturdays. You want to see me? Come to Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue. We're at Abolado, Searchlight Town. So by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, that's when I see people. So anyone I do, I specialize in spirituality to solve spiritual problems. So somebody cannot come and castigate what I do, but God have ordained that I used to help men and women, pastors. There are no solution. I come and talk about. See, that doesn't mean somebody got away. I don't know. I don't carry anybody go water. But I know spirituality. I know God planted a tree, palm tree in my district, in my house. I don't know his mystery. So that palm tree have delivered millions of people. Let me stop there. Any prophet who doesn't know about spiritual work is not a prophet. Jesus Christ pour spit on the ground and touch it to somebody, say, go and wash your face. The person, the brand, see. He came to water beside. I said, hey man, take your this thing. Pack your thing and go home. Your friend and make you home. Hey, the man that stayed there for 28 years, waiting for the time that what angel will enter water. Put up beside her. Then Elijah told a man, go to water, a king, go and bath in this thing 7 times. Dig yourself 7 times. Leprosy will go. That is a spiritual work. But if you will do it now, that doesn't mean anybody that go to water is watching for God. That's a marine kingdom you can worship. There's an idol you can worship in the water. But there's an Almighty God who owns the water, who owns the heaven and earth. The God of the Bible is God of their own heaven and earth. God of Sabbath. Is a covenant keeping God. Anyone who is not keeping Sabbath does not worship Yahweh, the Holy One of Israel. You can't doubt it. Who gave you son? There was a Romans. Constantine is what I introduced. This is our things that if you say you'll be against me, but after tomorrow we still come back to it. When they talk about arrange, thank God Mbaka have repent. I believe he have repent genuinely. I don't know whether he's angry because of Ebuka Obi have collected some of his members, but I tell you, if you remove Mbaka Roman Catholic, Ebuka Obi is nothing. So know it. If you like, if you say you're a great man, Ebuka Obi say a great prophet, come out from Roman Catholic, come out from Mbaka. Do not tell us Mbaka is no longer your spiritual father. Let us see how it will start in the next 2 years. After fact, end of this year, let us see how many people you have. So you know that it's not easy to be deviated away. Understand the Lord and have 1.16 million angels. God told me the world will reject you, but do not think about this word, because in book of John he said that the world will reject you because you are not of this world, for third heaven. If the world love you, that means you're not of God. Because if you tell the truth, people will run away, because the truth is bitter. And the Bible says that truth you shall know, and that truth will set you free. I am the only one that preach about Black Jesus first and tell you that Roman Catholic is Church of Satan. Then Pope came out and tell you men marry men, women marry women. Is it not Church of Satan? But he will not call him Antichrist, he will call me Antichrist. But no problem. Thank you very much for joining us. Please, can you share it? I want to pray for you. Under the unction of the Holy Spirit, I have 1.16 million angels. You're welcome to Zion City of the Way Synagogue, Lagos. I pray for you under the unction. This place I have received. This is where I receive sword. This place I receive sword. People don't come inside this place. It's I receive sword inside this place. Yeah, it's an office. I received sword when I was on a marathon fasting. I did 1 year fasting, 6 to 6. Sundays dry fasting. So when I fasted, angel Michael appeared and gave me sword. That was in 3 years. I was spent 3 years and almost 4 years in the wilderness. I received bell, which God used Ayobara to give to me. Then I received water. The water is the first thing I used to heal sickness. Yes, I raised death on the dream, on trance, before I begin to perform. So anything that happens will first of all happen is spiritual. So if you're a minister of God, you used to see yourself doing evangelism in your dream, doing healing. That mean that healing will manifest, but you have not getting capacity. You need somebody to unlock you. Either you fast to unlock yourself, or you need somebody to unlock you. Now, what we call impartation is this. Impartation is this, but the impartation is not stronger than your own power. That's why I'm always advise people to fast and pray. Okay, the impartation, people always go to take some time. It's just to unlock your own power. That power is already inside you, so they will use their own power to unlock you. You begin to operate. There's so many people that are even greater than me, Mbaka, Ebuka Obi, that they even don't know. But that power is inside you. It's until you awaken yourself. You need to be awakened. You need to be awakened. That's really prophetic. But it takes time. People don't want to take that patient. Prophetic is one of the dangerous. You know, you can prophesy. The demon will come and fight you. Do you know you can prophesy? If you use fake power to prophesy, they can bribe you. That's why I see some prophet, they will run bribe. Some pastor, they will run bribe, they will run mad, or they will die. Because of what? You went to collect fake power. Don't go and collect power, put your eye to go and prophesy. It will brand you. They will brand you. There is some demon that you meet, very aggressive one, they will brand you. You will turn to a blind man. You hear this man talking, fighting the native dog. They think I'm empty. I am working with the most powerful author in the world, Yahweh, covenant. That's why I can talk anything I want to talk. Nothing. Before they will think what to do, God will put problem for you. That is it. That is what my commission. So don't use my own pattern to say I want to do. Accept your call to do that. But tomorrow I want to be like the Yahweh. Do you have the power that I have? Have you fasted what I fasted? Do you know the price I paid to be like this? These are the truth. God bless you. But try to awake yourself. Don't let anybody, any pastor, anybody to move you. We have found that victim. I wasted millions in hand of men of God. So that's why, if you take money from me, give me what I want. There's nothing wrong with it. But the problem is making me to spend my money finish, making me to buy 100,000, making me to go and pay hotel 500,000. At the end of the day, no solution. Oh yeah, but you're about Obi. So don't enter fly 2 million, 3 million, come from London, come from America, come from Canada, come and spend after 2 months, 3 months, and go back with nothing. Tomorrow, if you tell them about Nigeria prophet, they say they're fake. So that's why we're against all those things. We need to make sure we tear them down. Let everybody become fake. Let everybody go down. They will know the real one. So that is what we're fighting on this. Somebody say the way you need to be confused, because me too, I'm confused. I can fake prophet is making wave than the real prophet. But you will not believe. occultic prophets are making money, buying private jets, living the way they life. But God told me that these are not of me. They are of what? So, but they are deceiving more people by the money they are sharing or the money they have. You look at them, they say they are people of God. Oh, this one, if you are so powerful, why you not get member? How many members Jesus have? Did Elijah have member? Moses died, nobody know how he died. Nobody buried him. He died in the wilderness. Daniel, how did he go? How many members did Daniel have? He wasn't not inside prison because of truth. They threw me in lion den. And there were prophets now came out and begin to arrest me. Why in the Bible we see that people who work for God, they arrest them because of the truth. Now you're being one thing. Are you not? It's not obvious that it's a fake. You're using police, using assassin, using everything to be threatening people, hacking people page. You're not taking 419 and a criminal. You're a thief. You're not even welcome. You're destroying Christianity. You need to be arrested. You need to be arrested and jailed for that. If you're not covering evil, why are you arresting people? Jesus Christ, he came to follow. He's Jew. They arrested him, they put him in prison, they killed him. So instead of you following Jesus, you should be ready to be killed. You will not be only ready to be carrying a escort, carry almighty escort up and down. Are you a governor of Nigeria? Are you a president? Are you a local government chairman? That if I don't ever talk, we kill you, we are a son. Who make you with so come and you are your son? You want to shoot gun in people's gathering. But your own church condemning other ones, other prophets are fake. All these ones are fake. All these ones are fake. All the men are fake. There's some Omenala people that are better than your church or setup. True Omenala is more powerful than anything. This one you are doing okay, it's not Omenala. The one you're watching now is not Omenala. Is communicating to Chukwu and the heaven, which Mazenarka is preaching. Mazenarka is against idol worship. Mazenarka is against church because his lies are fools and the criminals are food there. That's why he's in the prison today. You think church doesn't know his wealth? Politician doesn't know. He's exposed many things. Nobody have exposed what Mazenarka exposed. He's one that did the work of prophet. TB Church never exposed anything. He just busy collecting. TB Church doesn't expose nothing. What I exposed, nobody have exposed it. After Mazenarka, show me. Because exposing is more dangerous and more difficult and more expensive because what? You lose follower. They will reporting your page. They will destroy. They will try everything to kill you because of what you're exposing. What they are doing to some. They are using it to catch people destiny. You don't know some pastors collect people destiny. Hear it for the horse's mouth. What Baka said. So God bless you. I see many prophets everywhere where the spiritual world are in the African black Jesus. Jesus never a white man. If you're still bound out to white Mary, white Jesus, whether it's from Baka or Ebuka, that is Pharisee, that is lie. So begin to know the truth. Jesus was a black man. Thank you very much. Shalom. You could take the man. Preach him Baka. Support him, but you worship him Mary. Whether it's in Baka or anybody, I know they say because he speak a good thing. He will still tell us about Mary because God is against it. So let us be talking that one. That's why I put the picture here. See the white Jesus fake. See black Yeshua from Israel, Jew. So know the truth. God bless you. Let me pray this video from Mazen and God bless you. So know the truth. Thank you, Shelly Terekas. Published 1997. Do you know how the Bible got to Europe? Mazen exposing evil. The first slave ship out of Africa was named Jesus. Are you aware of that? People are just dumb. After today, I'm not sure that there'll be many left anymore to be honest with you. Praise the truth. I love this man. Let thy will be done was the prayer. The Almighty God free him. My aim is to educate all these criminals and what I call false Christians and biblical scholars. Whose only reference is the First Council of Nicaea literature. They don't know anything. It was when Emperor Constantine called them for a meeting in Nicaea. They saw and said, okay, we'll accept this one, we won't accept this one. And then they decided Shabbat is no longer on a Saturday but on a Sunday.
But James said it very clearly. Did Jesus Christ keep the Shabbat or not? He of course he's a Jew. How can the person you're following is a Jew and you say you're not a Jew? That makes sense to you. I don't know how foolish people can be. I don't know.
Master.
Mary went on to have other
Jesus is a Jew. Keeping Sabbath. You're throwing Loma, claiming that you know what you're doing.
Her and Joseph had other children. They don't teach you that in Sunday school.
Mary Ukraine is a virgin. I born many children.
His siblings was James, and James wrote.
One is Jesus.
Very cleverly he wrote. He has siblings. The only truly exhaustive study of the apostle James to date was one man, very clever man, Robert Esmond. He wrote a very compelling piece. In fact, some will call it a magnum opus.
Please share the telecast to save Ndi Igbo from LNG,
Jesus, the key to
fake prophets and the fake
early Christianity and the Dead Sea Scrolls, published in 1997. The fact that Europe as history, they have done over the ages what they have done. Wherever they go, they see the children of light. They always deny them their identity. That's what was done. James, the brother of Jesus, preached obedience to the law, keeping the Shabbat, circumcision,
keeping covenant. It's a prophet. You want a moral covenant. A moral covenant of God. You claim you follow.
He was born in
you have mad to call other people fake. You.
But Christianity will kill you. In those days, not now. In those days, they will come to you by force.
He said he killed a lot of people.
Islam is even worse.
Killed a lot of people.
Now, among three religions, two of them will force you to convert. One will just leave it between you and your God. Which one will you follow? Do you know how the Bible got to Europe?
Among the three religions, Judaism, Christianity, and what? And Islam. Two of them will force you to convert. Islam and Christianity. But Judaism, no, they force anybody. That's why it's hard for you to see some people they do evangelism. Because they know that if God no convert you, nobody. But Christianity will force you, convert you, use all the program that condemn other people. Kill people. They have been killing from the beginning. They're not today. This man saying that if they have the way they will kill me, they will just shoot me gun from where they are, they will do that. But who God no kill, what the man can do. God bless you. Shalom. No, don't mind this. These are Ebuka Obi them. You don't like the truth. But the truth is coming out. It's already out. Access are everywhere. Share it to us. Share it to save Ndi Igbo. Share it to save our people. Share it, let them know the truth. Mbaka has spoken well. God bless him, Reverend Father Mbaka. And then because without Mbaka backup power and the Roman Catholic, when I talk, they can cough. If you believe you're too powerful, tell Mbaka that he's no longer his spiritual, it's not your spiritual father. Let him take his power back. Tell Roman Catholic you don't need their members. Let them take their members back. They stand on your own as evangelist. Let us see how many members you will have.